Hello friends! Of all the days in a week, I begin to love Tuesday more and more. This is the day I share the latest market news with you, and it makes me very happy. Today is no exception, so let's see, what is new in power semiconductors industry? Wolfspeed, the global leader in silicon carbide technology, announced that ZINSIGHT technology, an innovator of advanced electric drive systems, will utilize Wolfspeed 1200-volt silicon carbide MOSFETs in its advanced motor controller for ultra-high-speed air compressors in fuel cell vehicle engines. Consumer demand for zero-emission vehicles, such as battery electric vehicles and fuel cell vehicles, is expected to increase over the next decade as automakers and government entities shift focus away from production of internal combustion engines vehicles for a cleaner and more sustainable future. The use of silicon carbide in new vehicles results in significant cost savings, while high-efficiency power modules enable lower energy losses and higher range. Together with 33 European project partners, Robert Bosch is coordinating the European funding project, Transphorm, trusted European silicon carbide value chain for a greener economy. CENTROTHERM is involved in this project as a project partner and leading supplier of high-temperature furnaces for post-implantation annealing of silicon carbide wafers. The common project goal is to establish and strengthen the complete value chain from the substrate to the silicon carbide-based energy converter in Europe. Due to rapidly growing energy demand and the goal of climate neutrality of the European Union by 2050, energy efficiency plays a central role. The use of silicon carbide as a semiconductor in power electronics is an important building block for achieving these goals, not only in e-mobility. Depending on the application, efficiency gains of between 6% to 30% are expected. In addition, Transphorm is expected to help significantly strengthen the competitive position of European technology on the global market. Littelfuse and Carlin Technologies announced that they have entered into a definitive agreement for Littelfuse to acquire Carlin for $315 million in cash, subject to a working capital adjustment. Founded in 1920, Carlin has a leading position in switching and circuit protection technologies with a strong global presence in commercial vehicle, marine, and datacom telecom infrastructure markets. The business is headquartered in Plainville, Connecticut, with offices and facilities located around the world. The company has annualized sales of approximately $170 million. Transphorm, a pioneer and global supplier of high-reliability, high-performance gallium nitride power conversion products, announced the appointment of Cindi Moreland to the company's board of directors, effective October 20, 2021. Ms. Moreland has over 30 years of experience working as an attorney within the technical field. Having counseled public and private companies, both domestically and internationally, Ms. Moreland is a recognized expert across the technology sector. She currently serves as the General Counsel of Carrier.com, an online marketplace for various carrier services. Previously, Ms. Moreland served as the Vice President, General Counsel, and Chief Compliance Officer for Samsung Mobile USA. In order to satisfy the ever-growing demands for modern electronic devices, especially in terms of durability, reliability, and thermal resilience, Pink has developed a Sintering system, as silver sintering is the most promising joining technology as an alternative to the conventional soldering technology in power electronics. By the use of Pink sintering systems, you can achieve sintering connections which are characterized by reliable, resilient, and highly temperature-resistant bonds. Silver sintering is becoming a mature interconnect technology in power electronics. Learn more about the sintering process for power electronics in Pink's Live Web seminar. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, tune in next Tuesday for more market updates. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Psycho website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.